Thank you guys for clicking in. My name is Winnie James, aka Wisma, and Karibu Sana to Triple FL. Today I am sharing my three favorite overnight oatmeal, and my first one is a strawberry oatmeal, and I'm going in with 3 teaspoons of oatmeal, the old-fashioned oatmeal. I'm gonna put chia seed and then water. I'm gonna use some Greek yogurt, the plain one without flavors, and then I'm gonna cut some strawberries, put some honey. Some people like the syrup, but I don't like the taste of syrup, but if that is what you like, you can put. If you like milk, you can put milk. Some put almond oatmeal, some put the kawaida milk. But as for me, because I am putting the Greek yogurt, that will be too much milk in it, so that is why I am mixing with water. So this is my very first and my favorite. I'm putting in my strawberries, and then I'm going to mix it, put in the fridge, let it sit overnight, and then you can now eat. You can do the toppings or just eat as it is. Our second oatmeal recipe is carrot overnight oatmeal, and because you can see what I am doing, I'm not going to talk too much because you can see what I am doing. This one is my favorite overnight oatmeal recipe, and it is a raspberry overnight recipe. I love this one. It is yummy, it is nice, it is tasty, and it leaves you full for longer, you know. And if you're trying out with this overnight oatmeal, let me tell you, this one is where you should start, because this one will make you even love the oatmeal even more, because it is so mwah, I can't even explain. You need to try it out and tell me how it comes out. So now, after 2 hours of my oats sitting in the fridge, I am going now to put some toppings. Ideally, it is to have it overnight, which I will have it tomorrow morning. But you can just take it after 2 hours sitting in the fridge. You can just eat it. Now I will put some toppings just to know when I come to the fridge in the morning which one I want to eat. Okay, so that's why I am going to add some toppings. And by the way, you can warm them if you like them warm, but I love it cold. It is chilled, it is lovely, it is sweet. Thank you guys for watching, and if you are on a weight loss journey, I would recommend you watch this video up here. Once you finish watching this one is a whole week smoothie, and it is a very fat burning recipe smoothie for a whole week, and your belly will just go. And I know that people want to see me. I am coming on your screen soon, and you will see how my skin has cleared, my stomach, my belly has really gone down, and I'm even fitting on my some of my dresses. I will post maybe on the next video. Tell me in the comment section which one of this smoothie you think you can try it out. Follow me on Instagram. I share my every other day meal, what I am eating, what I am doing, if I am exercising. I share every day on Instagram. So bye bye, God bless you, I love you, and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.